Hi, my name is Abbey. Welcome to Quick Make Lunches on Cooking with Abbey. For today's lunch, we're going to be making egg bite lunches. To watch the full episode of us making the egg bite, click the link below or the link at the end of the video. Let's get started. For today's fruit sides, we're going to have half an orange and half an apple. My dad pre-cuts these just because it's faster and easier for us to eat at lunch. Next, we're going to have some hummus and some carrots. Hummus. For something sweet, we're going to have some fruit cocktail. A little tip here, buy yourself a reusable container and then you can buy your fruit cocktail in bulk. Next up, some goldfish. Same tip here, buy in bulk. Less waste. Now for the star of our lunch, our egg bites. As we mentioned in the show, you can make these with whatever ingredients you like. Finally, a couple cookies. Yum! Time to get everything packed up and ready to go. And there you have it, lunch number 1 in our series of lunches. Stay tuned for more, and make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. See you next time. Bye!